I think afternoon here will be very nice.
Yeah.
I'd like to take some landings if it's possible to go there. Oh, and a dash 18.
Two of them?
But it's battling now.
I gotta move closer. Yeah, sorry guys if I messing up the video here. I'm just trying to move a little closer to the 700 here. God, he's flying. It seems like it's like focusing on its own, actually.
It shouldn't be.
Well, it is.
Okay.
It's doing it all on its own.
You need to be a YouTuber.
No, don't mute out the sound, Mr. Q400, please.
400.
Q4, yeah.
More time you are sporting, you will try to sporting more airplanes like 737s.
Yeah.
That's when you see an 747-8, you never want to take it because you see it for 20 years anymore.
Oh, we're going in a hurry.
Yeah.